Welcome everyone back to the Alpha Capital Summer Casino Royale event. That's a mouthful. I need to shorten that down somehow. But thank you for tuning in. We've got another incredible guest with us today. We have Arman. Is it Arman Trades? Arman Trades, yeah, sorry. I was about to just say Arman. Be like,
Same thing, you know.
that's it, man. But well, man, you've been smashing it. I remember the last time we saw each other, you were on a bit of a losing streak at that time. But since then, apparently you've absolutely been killing it, right?
Yeah, it's been crazy. Like literally last month was a 12% month. And then before that was like 2-3%.
What capital are you on then?
How much capital? Funded capital.
Yeah.
So right now 400k total. And it's all Alpha Capital. Because that's like the most trusted firm for me right now.
Amazing.
After like FTMO, right?
Yeah.
So I would probably diversify into FTMO soon.
Nice. Well, that's great. It's a 12%, talking over 40k.
Yeah.
Is it one
crazy.
single month?
Yeah.
Yeah. And was that you just playing the same edge? I know we've spoken before, so the same edge?
Literally the same stuff, yeah, same trades and everything. And literally even tomorrow I have another 20k payout, as I said, with Alpha Capital, right?
Incredible.
I'm just farming them right now.
That's it, yeah. How you found the event then?
It's really nice. Good to talk to other people, help some people as well, you know, that ask for advice. Feels good.
Yeah, I spoke to someone earlier. I said, like, who's the one trader you look up to? He said you.
No way, really?
Yeah. He said, show me the power of one-to-ones.
That's great.
At first when he said one-to-one, I thought like one-to-one as in like a call. And I was like, oh, what does that mean? And then I remembered. One-to-one, yeah. How you been finding that? Like in terms of, you know, in an industry where they're so obsessed with like high risk to reward, etc., how have you managed to keep that mental fortitude of like, this works for me?
Well, sometimes I have doubts, right? Like, for example, I was on a losing streak for like 2-3 months. And then, as you saw, I just made back all those losses and profits after that. It's all about staying disciplined and patient. And then it all just comes back to your edge and you will be profitable again.
Definitely. Well, you're someone who's faced losing capital, not because of yourself, not because of your strategy, but because of the firms that you were using.
Oh, yeah, that
right?
happened
That's
as well,
happened twice now, if not more, but like twice on like large capital that you had for a long period of time. Like, how did you handle that? Because a lot of people are going through that at the moment.
I'm not really attached to like monetary things like that, right? Like it's just an account. I'm net profitable on it by like so much. For example, TFT, I had a 600k account with them, right? Total. And that costed me like 3k because I never failed it. I made over 120k with them. So that's a crazy return if you think about it.
Yeah.
So I wasn't that fast about it. Just moved on.
Yeah, that's good. What would be the one piece of advice you would give to traders out there?
Okay, so like a trading related advice would be collect as much data as you can on your edge, because confidence is very important when you're trading. And if you lack confidence when you're trading in the live markets, then you're gonna really mess up and you're gonna end up blowing the accounts.
Yeah.
And the only way to gain the confidence is by having so much data that if you have a losing streak, you're like, that's fine because on my data I've had them many times,
Yeah.
but at the end I come back from it. So you have something that gives you hope, kind of.
Definitely. No, I love that. And in terms of like capital wise, like you've got this huge payout, for example, and you've been doing that consistently for a long time. What do you reinvest your profits into? Like, do you do more accounts? Do you do personal accounts outside of trading?
So I do have personal accounts as well. So currently I got like 4 10k accounts and I rotate between them with like 3 to 4% risk per trade. That's just like a kind of guaranteed side income every month, just in case like I lose profit from accounts or something happens. And I'm looking to invest into other businesses as well now, like property and everything. So let's see how that goes as well.
I love that. Arman, well, thank you for sitting with us today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Definitely get you speaking at the next event, yeah?
Thank you.
You know?
I'll be down, yeah.
There we go. I put him on the spot.
Youngest
Everyone at home-
trader.
Huh?
Youngest trader, you know.
Well, I like that. Let's do that. Everyone at home, hit subscribe. Obviously, there'll be other videos from this meetup on screen. Check them out. Until next time, take care.